Hello everyone, welcome to an exciting journey into the future of prosthetics. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI as we call it, and its groundbreaking impact on prosthetic limbs. AI is changing the game in biomedical engineering, making what once seemed impossible, possible. It's like this new player who has come in and is changing all the rules, rewriting the playbook. Prosthetics, for those who don't know, are artificial limbs that replace missing body parts, giving people a new lease on life. They've been around for a while, but AI is taking them to a whole new level, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Imagine limbs that can learn your movements, adapt to your needs, and even feel sensations. It's like science fiction becoming reality. This is what AI promises to bring to the table. It's super exciting and opens up endless possibilities. But like with anything new, there are questions and challenges we must address. Can AI really replace the human touch in designing and making prosthetics? Let's find out together. AI brings a lot of advantages to prosthetic design, revolutionizing the way we think about artificial limbs. One of the biggest is precision, which is crucial for creating effective prosthetics. AI algorithms can analyze tons of data, like body movements, muscle activity, and even nerve signals, providing insights that were previously unimaginable. This helps create prosthetics that are tailor-made for each person, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal functionality. Not just that, AI can help design limbs that are super functional, capable of performing complex tasks with ease. Think about it. Limbs that move more naturally and respond to your thoughts. This level of integration is groundbreaking. Another cool thing is customization, which allows for a wide range of prosthetic designs. AI can create designs for different needs, whether it's for everyday use or specialized activities. Whether you need a prosthetic for daily activities or for something more specific like playing a sport, AI can help. The possibilities are endless.
AI-designed prosthetics boast incredible detail and functionality, making them highly efficient and user-friendly. The precision and customization they offer are truly game-changing, setting a new standard in prosthetic technology. It's like having a limb that is specifically made just for you, responding to your unique needs and activities, enhancing your quality of life in ways we never thought possible.